Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to change name password. Guys, you want to change your name password, so guys you can change it. In this video guys I will show you how to change name password. So well, let's see how to change name password in Vivo phone. So guys, first of all open your phone setting to change your name password. Then guys scroll it and guys come in your security setting. Guys click on screen lock. Enter your old name password guys. Then guys click on this last one, complex password. And guys now we will change a name, and like example for guys we will change in Monu. Be careful here guys, and guys don't do any mistake here guys. Confirm. So guys now let's see. So guys password has changed in our Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change name password in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.